Hello and welcome to the new episode of Star Muffin YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to change units in Blender. Let's get started. Go to right side of the properties panel, and in here you can see the scene properties. Let's click them and shrink the scene panels. Extend the units panel, and as we can see, we have a specific default settings over here. Unit system metric as a default. And if you're familiar with imperial unit system, you can change in here. But I'm just familiar with metric system, so I'm just selecting metric. And the next one is unit scale. You don't have to change the unit scale. And the next one is rotation. Rotation is degrees because I'm familiar with. You can also change for radian. The length is meters. I'm not actually modeling in detail things. For now, I'm just making as a default meters length. The mass is kilograms as a default. It's perfectly fine. The time is seconds. And also the temperature is Kelvin. If you have to work with different kind of temperature units, you can actually change to Kelvin to actually Celsius. But we are familiar with Kelvin in the temperature. So you can actually work with these units as well. Before we start modeling, this is absolutely necessary to learn. And thank you for watching me, and see you next time. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to comment down below, and see you next time.